I'm gonna throw up. I'm ready to throw up in here because of all this shit coming off the floor. I feel like I'm gonna throw up. Look at that shit coming off the fucking ceiling. It's fucking goddamn. I'm fucking sick, man. I'm overdosing on radiation. They're trying to cover up a cover up. You can see where it's coming from over here. They're like right there. I need to get up right there. It's one over from where you are. Oh shit. All that's fucking coming on my head and it hurts. My stomach. I put all that plastic up there to try to protect myself from all the shit that they're dropping on my head. And it's even coming through the plastic now. Whatever it is, it goes through the plastic. I only put the plastic up there to keep them from looking at me and doing this shit to me. It's coming off the floor too, though. It's coming off the refrigerator. See, is it coming off the walls? They don't care. They're just fucking, they're like, because when I call 911, when I call the cops, I'm on their stingray, so they intercept my phone calls and send fake cops out here. Or send the crooked cops. It's not really over there. It's mostly right. How come it's only when it's dark? I don't know, but that must be why I got cancer. That must be why everybody in my family died of cancer. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do because they're sucking the energy right out of my fucking brain and my body. It feels like I can't even fucking muster the energy to move. It's like they're killing me slowly just to get away with killing me slowly. It's gotta be documented. It's documented. It is documented.